Hello and welcome to the Friesen Kitchen. My name is Annika and today I'm going to show you how to make these easy, cheesy breakfast hash browns, topped with avocado, bacon and sour cream. Let me show you what you need. We have 3 medium-sized potatoes here. You can take russet potatoes, yukon golden potatoes, or whatever you have on hand. Half a cup of grated gouda cheese, 5 slices of bacon, 1 avocado, 3 spring onions right here, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of granulated onion powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. First off, we are going to peel our potatoes. The potatoes are peeled and washed. Now let's go ahead and shred them. So the next step is very important. You need to squeeze the water out of these potatoes. Just look at the juice. Just get them as dry as possible. It will make the hash browns nice and crispy. Now I simply add the Gouda cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you like or whatever cheese you have on hand. And then I add all the spices, the flour and the egg. Mix it all up with a spatula and then set it aside until we are ready to use it. The potatoes are ready to go. Now let's take care of the bacon. What we are going to do is to sear the bacon on both sides and take it out and shape it like a rainbow. I'm going to show you how that works. Show you the bacon. Look how cute that is. Little rainbows. So with the bacon fat, you leave it in the pan because we are going to fry the hash browns in the bacon fat. It gives you the best flavor, I tell you. To even proportion it, I'm just using an ice cream scoop. We're almost there, guys, but now comes my favorite part. All you need is the avocado and the green onions. I'm showing you how to cut the avocado first. Alright, first off you need to peel the avocado. This one is a tricky one because it's a little bit too soft, but it's the only one I had on hand, so I'm just using it. Now cut the avocado crosswise and lay it out like a fan. And now you just repeat the whole process with the second half of the avocado. like to cut the green onion in an angle and just use the green part of it. The hash browns are ready and you can go ahead and just enjoy them plain. But we want to impress our friends and family, so we're gonna make it look fancy. We will top it with the avocado, sour cream, and the good old bacon. I know, it's a heavy dish and you can't eat lots of it, but make it for your friends or your family and share it all. I can't wait to dive in. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave this video a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.